Hi everyone, welcome all of you to the Europedia Global channel. And today I'm going to tell you some important about some PhD universities that you can pursue PhD programs in foreign universities. First of all, we have a university, that's the University of Hull, UK, and this university is offering the PhD program in this open call with the Aura CDT in offshore wind energy and the environment. Okay, if you are interested in this domain that is related to the wind energy and the environment, you can visit this website. And the duration of this course is 3.5 years and the last date is 14th of August 2023. Okay, and prerequisites, there are some prerequisites that if you have received a first class degree or 8.0 CGPA degree and a master or a distinction at the master level with any undergraduate degree. So these are the prerequisites in equivalent or STM subjects such as the biology or in chemistry. That means your background must be related to this biology or the chemistry department for this program. Next university we have this University of Bristol, UK, and this university is offering this PhD program in this area, that is the integration and digital demonstration of low emission aircraft technologies and the airport operations. Okay, and the duration of this course is 3.5 years and the last date is 3rd August 2023. Next university, this University of Kent, again in UK. This university is from here you can pursue PhD program in this quality assessment of waste plastic bales through hybrid sensing and the data driven modeling. Okay, this is the quality assessment of the waste plastic bales through hybrid sensing and the data driven modeling. So here you have strong knowledge about this data driven modeling, how to model that you must have a knowledge. The prerequisites for this course is the very good undergraduate degree, at least 8.0 CGPA you have, or its international equivalents, and the valid IELTS scores must be valid there. See, next university we have the University of Exeter, UK, where the PhD program is this maximizing the potential of waste heat recovery, and the duration of this course is 3.5 years and the last date is 13th August 2023. Next, last university we have this University of Birmingham, UK. This University of Birmingham, UK is offering a PhD program in this shaping the future of physics based simulation with AI driven generative models. This shaping the future of physics based simulation with the AI. Okay, and the duration prerequisites for this is the masters or masters in engineering or BTech in engineering degree with physics, you can say computer science and civil engineering or a related field with the at least 8.0 CGPA must be there. Okay, so these are some important PhD universities where you can pursue your PhD program, and if any one of you interested in any of this PhD program, you can visit the websites. Again, if you have any query, you can contact us. Europedia Global platform is always with you. Okay, thank you everyone.